Good morning, friends. Once again, I welcome you all on this e learning platform of KTHM College. In today's session, we are going to deal with the text Animal Farm by George Orwell. Already, you all are aware about the syllabus. For the first term, we have to study theory of fiction, and we have and one novel, Animal Farm by George Orwell. And for the second term, we have to study The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway and The Guide by the famous Indian novelist R.K. Narayan. Even you all are aware about the objectives of the text. In brief, once again, I will revise these objectives. The first objective of the text is to introduce students to the basics of novel as a literary form. The second objective is to expose students to the historical development and nature of novel. Third objective is to make students aware of different types and aspects of novel. And the fourth objective of the text is to develop literary sensibility and sense of cultural diversity in students. And the fifth objective of the text is to expose students to some of the best examples of novels. Now, in this session, I will introduce you to the characters in the Animal Farm by Orwell. Animal Farm by George Orwell is an allegory of the events of the Russian Revolution of 1917. It deals with the ideas of freedom, rebellion, and the corrupting nature of power. All you know that as a literary device, an allegory is a narrative in which a character, place, or event is used to deliver a broader message about real world issues and occurrences. Authors have used allegory throughout history in all forms of art to illustrate or convey complex ideas and concepts in ways that are comprehensible or striking to its viewers, readers, or listeners. Now, we will have a look on the characters in the novel Animal Farm by George Orwell. The characters in Animal Farm can be split into three groups. The first group is of the humans, second group, the pigs, and the third one is about the other farm animals. Among these three groups, the humans are the villains, thoughtless, and neglectful. Second group, that is of pigs, the pigs are scheming, clever, and forceful and replace the humans as villains. And the third group, the other farmyard animals, are trusting, passive, and hardworking. They are the heroic victims of the novel. Each group represents a different element of Russian Revolution in 1917. Now, the characters in the novel Animal Farm, they are also categorized in as a major characters, secondary characters, and the minor characters. Now, the major characters in Animal Farm are as follows. There are four major characters. First one is Old Major, second one is Napoleon, third one is Snowball, and the fourth one is Boxer. These are the major characters in the novel Animal Farm. Now we will talk about the secondary characters. There are three secondary characters in the novel. First one is Mr. Jones, second one is Squealer, third one is Benjamin. These are the three secondary characters in the novel Animal Farm. Now we will see the minor characters in the novel Animal Farm. The minor characters are as follows. First one is Clover, the dogs, the hens, Molly, Moses, the young pigs, the sheep, Mr. Pilkington, Mr. Frederick, and Mr. Wimple. Now, as we were talking about the minor characters, Clover is just like the mother figure of the farm. She is kind and caring horse that sees the faults in Napoleon's rule, but like Boxer, lacks the words to express herself. Then the dogs, they are good dogs, Bluebell, Jessie, Peacher. Then there are Napoleon's dogs that he uses to police the farm. They represent the secret organizations of the police. Now, minor characters, the hens, the hens bravely protect about their eggs being taken. Fourth one is Molly, a horse that is happy to be ruled by humans. She doesn't want to go against humans. She is happy with in the company of humans. Then Moses, Jones' pet raven, who is also a preacher. Then there are young pigs who dare to speak out against Napoleon, and because of that, they are executed from the farm. Then the sheep, they interrupt debate on the farm with chants of four legs good, two legs bad. They play a crucial role, they play an important role in Napoleon's rise to power. Next minor character is Mr. Pilkington, an easygoing gentleman farmer who spends most of his time hunting. Next minor character is Mr. Frederick, a tough farmer who fights to get what he wants. And the last minor character is Whimper, one who is lawyer that the pigs hire. This is all about the characters in the novel Animal Farm by George Orwell. We have gone through the major characters, minor characters, and the secondary characters in the novel Animal Farm. And in next session, in deep in detail, we are going to deal with the major characters in the novel. Thank you.